Oh, there's Town Dog not back again. Let's try a little run here in Hard Truck 2 again this afternoon. I don't know. Let's go just after dark here on the 27th of August 2022, and I just feel like I've been playing the other game so hard. I think I'm going to drive a truck a few minutes tonight. I don't know how much I'm going to get into it, but here we go. No, we must have stopped on 16. It's the highest number in here, and the video itself is 16, so I guess that's right. Named it for the next one. We'll load it. Now, we do remember we had enough cargo stuff going that we have mines on the road, so we won't turn them off first thing. As soon as it comes on, we'll turn the mines off. And might put up the other map. Mines off. That should work up for that too now. Let's see, we got an advanced map, all the cargo on it. That's two of the cheat codes. It's only two cheat codes I could use, really. I think we had Mercury, I think. On this back road part back here at Mercury. Did we in one of them Renaults look like or something? What's in here? What's the way you go to the main road? Okay. We was on ridge on the back, wasn't we? What we get out here? The rent. I don't see them when they change every time. Is there storm? Yeah, it changed. You're not looking right at it, you don't even notice it changes. He finna pull away. Oh, there it is. Renault Magnum. Just I want to name it first. Told me he was getting ready to leave. Alright. Greystone. Nothing here that I want to pull, really. Closest thing would be River Valley. Eastwood. I'll just take Eastwood. Good way. We'll take Eastwood. Is the first one or the last one? Which is it? Go down on this double sign, overhead sign here, turn right. Head up toward North Harbor. How about that? Let's head up toward North Harbor. See who is second. Slow down a little more. Let's go over to that crossover. The first one, because we got to come back down on the other side. The quicker we get across, the better off we are. Next Eagle, I believe. Nav Star. Yeah, I want to have a different headset today. We will be until I get my new one in. Probably because the other one of the ears quit working on it. Wow. It acted up, and I took it apart. I think I fixed it. Where it can't be fixed, probably. I could probably fix it. It's a wire loose in the crown. It goes into the left ear, goes in the crown across the top to the right ear. And the right ear is when it was breaking up, and I messed with it, it quit working completely. The wire, I think, broken where it goes into the crown, right at the bottom. But the lights are so small, it'd be almost impossible to do much with. I'll turn back this way. We got a big tank, so let's fill them up. $400 worth of fuel. Nowadays, that's really a small amount for a big truck. You need to carry $1,000 with you now if you want to drive a truck. At least $1,000. That's just for the service station. You ain't got $1,000. You have to miss dinner to fill the tank up. Come on, get around here. We running behind schedule. He said we 5 of 5. We last. We're gonna get in closer when we get around this bend. Hey, where we at? Thought that was the end of it. It ain't. I thought if we come on the road there, we gotta be close though. We gotta be. I better sit right yonder. Yep. And we got plenty of fuel, so we're gonna head down the map. Get up on top of it. Up on there. Now we're number 1, he said. That's without picking up speed. Get this load delivered. Could go down and mess around down in Greystone just for the heck of it. Don't worry about carrying a load. Just get out and ride around and look. Go out to, try to go out the upper side. Make sure you got all your paperwork in order. They'll probably let you through there. Maybe empty. I don't know. I don't remember. You can buy little cars and trucks too. Look, I hadn't seen no cars for sale. Little ones, trucks, but somewhere along the line you buy them and then drive them. They don't drive with a pedal load. They're hard to drive. Right over the hill here. On the left. Come in there. How can we get here first and not get a license? Well, apparently we did, didn't we? But I first did get a license. unless it didn't see it. No license. Wheel number one, we still didn't get a license. Eastwood, no wonder. This ain't Eastwood, stupid. No wonder. Didn't even give us a load either because we went the wrong gate. Why? My bad was on Eastwood. This is River Valley. We still says we're still number one, so we must be doing pretty good. But we just in bad shape. We done got way down here. We way out of pocket. We still got a chance because it said we're still number one at this. Let's see if we can make this. Eastwood one's the other end of the map, first one on the road, on the right. Why I come down here, I have no idea. My mind was just, I think I saw one for River Valley somewhere. No, it wasn't one on the other. But I said Eastwood, and I know Eastwood's on the other end of the world, it ain't down here. Ooh, damaged the cargo heavy, didn't it? What were we hauling? Light bulbs? 25% just for bumping that wall. Repair, I thought that was a fuel station. I was going to head for it. Cause should hit the repair too, because it was a damaged truck. Eastwood for 9,601. Let me far up here. It ain't too far up here. I said we're still number one, so we're alright. Even though we went out of the way. You're supposed to go in the other way. Wake up. Take a time this to you. Now we've got a license. Maybe somebody's rent right here too. What we got here? Got a buy. We just read him. Let's go down to the tool house, see what kind of repairs we got on this truck made. I don't remember if I completely put it back together or just patched it when I got it. I don't usually fix these here up too good. But if you want to go down through this little thing down here at Greystone, you might ought to fix it up. Because they don't want you through there if you're not fully covered. We ain't fully covered. We can't get covered here, I don't think. We got the extra tank. We get the off-road tires. We got the bulletproof grass. We get these two here. Well, we can't get this. Yeah, we got the cargo scanner. We got everything we probably need. They might let us through without shooting us. We'll try them and see. Turn the lights on. Let's go for a ride. We're not going to try to take cargo because I'm not planning on going to a dock right away. I just want to get an idea of what I look at. It's been so long, I did know how to drive straight down there. A lot of it I remember when I see it, and little short catches and jumps, I remember them. I'm going to go down and ride just a minute in today's night's video. I need to learn it again. I was going to do it off video, but why not put a little time in being lost? We've got the advanced map. That'll help on the fuel situation. We'll know where the fuel is down there. The general area, you can find if you know the general area. Plus, you already got an idea where some of the places are, and I do. I don't remember exactly, but if I get close enough, I'll recognize them. That one where we're going to cross over that levee, look for boxes. A few loads back. Sometimes there's fuel back there. It says there are several fuel stations down there. Got a bunch of gas. 1, 2, 3 fuel stations way down there. There's one where you go down there, at least one. I think. Could be 2. Another repair shop, I think. Just before you go down there. Maybe in the other game, but I was thinking of one of those. Maybe the other game. King Road. It's a little different. Let's see what we got up here. Maybe. Oh, we won't buy another truck. We'll buy another truck and go back and take time to fix it up. I'd have grabbed a load of them. I could have picked up a rental. Picked up a load and beat him. I might have rented one. Nope, both of them for sale. Here we go. Place we ain't been this time. Since I started this playlist. Going out from Windcliff to Greystone over the mountain. Or going that way whether it makes it Greystone or not. Once you get out, you need to get back out at least. If you want to keep the game intact. So coming upon us, when we're leaving that station, we're not coming upon it. There's a repair in front of me. There's says there's fuel right here. There was one right, yeah, it's just right being here. Okay, here. I knew it was right here where I knew it was one. Well, it was in one of the games. I wasn't real sure which one. I think they're both games, I think. Here we go, going through the mountain as we climb. Coming back, you cut the, if you're out of fuel, you cut it off. She'll roll all the way down from here, all the way down to, actually all the way to the main highway out there, except for a couple of small spots. All the way down in the mountain, all the way down through there, and all the way out past Wincliffe and Eastwood. All you gotta do is crank it to get over a couple of humps. The rest of the way it'll roll. It'll roll fast, a lot of it. Roll faster than it'll actually run. Quit that. Ain't nothing up in here to pick up. I hear it. Let's see what's on the repair shop by yonder. If you ain't careful, you mess around the wrong road down here. I've been down that hole and they're stuck. I think I got out of that hole once, I think. Maybe not. It's a bad place to get out of, but it is. We don't use the navigator, and everything else that can be gotten here is already gotten. I thought that was right. Not much to offer there. Get off down behind that mountain right there, you're in a mess. Been there, done that a few times. Now, if they'll let us through here, they have a tendency not to let you through here. If you grab a truck, you don't get the cargo scanner stuff. You probably ain't getting through here. Without a load, I still might not. I don't know. This is going down them nuclear power plants and guarded pretty heavy from the top of the mountain. And do not access, no access road. I'm thinking with everything I've got fixed up, I can drive it on through though. But I've been known not to, for sure. Here we go, for the road. Here's where the truth comes in. We'll know just in a few minutes. If he don't want you in, you probably ain't gonna get in. See, he ain't want me to go through. Now I've got fire protection and bulletproof glass, I think. I'm not real sure I can make it. I'm gonna try. He's definitely shooting at me. Ordinarily blow your truck up. He might. He won't follow me all the way, I don't think. Graphics had a little trouble loading in. Let's see a mountain moving when it loads. That's just in the game. It does it all the time. I think we passed him, I think. I think he let us get away with it. He didn't want us to. Get off that mountain. Get off that mountain, don't turn that thing over. Come on, graphics. Here we are. Now I do know the road goes right through here. There's a lake right there, and the road goes right through here. Sharp back to the left, right here. This is the road right here. But there really not much road to this thing. And I think when you go through here, you cut on an angle to the right, and right through that hole right yonder. Still in the road at this point. And right here, I don't know. Gotta be this way because ain't nothing else that way. See, I need to go back to the left right here though. I believe we're still on the road right here going this way. Not sure. And then we go across here. It's opening to that mountain over yonder. There's water on my right and there's water be on your left up here at the end of that mountain. So far we're on the road. I know where we're at so far. Now, I usually leave the road right up here. And from there, I'm not 100% sure. There's that water on the left right there. And here, the road goes to the right. I generally leave it right here. Go right through here. And hang back. There's water over here and hang back to the left. I might not have hung left quick enough. I didn't. This here's the place. We went here before. I didn't turn. I supposed to hang left a lot quicker. See, we come out of that hole right there in front of us, straight across in front of us. We're supposed to hang left right as soon as we crossed that hump. I knew that, I just wasn't paying attention. Now right here. Now from there on, I'm not 100% sure. Plus, at this point, we're actually leaving the road, I do believe. I believe we hang right back through here. And right back to the left here some more. Not sure. Ain't nowhere to go left here, is it? Nope, 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 nope. Come back here. I just messed up. I better not get out of here. I'm telling it to back up, it ain't doing it. Maybe I ain't telling it. I thought it was. Back up out of there, sucker. Back up out of there, sucker. I don't want that hole. That's not where I wanted to go. All this right here is the same. So we gotta go. I double back too quick. So here's where it's at. Now, this hole. Alright. There's water. We're actually back in the road, I think, here. We ain't left the road very far, if any. Here's another place with water, I think. No, maybe not. Here we go. This is the one I thought the other one was. There's a road right yonder. Go right through here like we did the other one. And right back to the left to get earth. Something move yonder and see what that is. On the river valley. Now see, that was where we were supposed to take another, the same way we did before. Hang a left right here. And we hold back to the right, just like we did before. Exactly where I'm not sure, but somewhere right back in here. And through this hole right here, I believe. And then right back. I don't know. I forgot which way to go here. This, I believe, puts you to the back door. Yep, wait the back door. That's the way I usually come in right there. Once on there. Now we did almost exactly what I wanted to do. Not real bad at all. If we find that box on the way out with a River Valley load, we can carry 2 loads out to River Valley. No damage so far. We still got quite a bit of fuel. There's fuel down here. We hadn't seen any, but there's fuel down here. And halfway out, there's fuel. And it's just off the road. I know about where it's at, I think. But once you get to it, you may be so lost you can't find your way the rest of the way out. Well, we're at Greystone, people. I almost drove straight down here. The 2 turns I did really wrong. One's all I made really wrong. The other 2 are intentional. Semi-intentional, I guess you'd say. There's no fuel down in here where we at now. River Valley right there, see it? Now if we can find that tunnel, which I might not be able to. Let's see if we can pick that box up also now and still get out of here with it. One thing about going through the tunnel, if we go through the tunnel, is there's a we go through the tunnel, might say at River Valley. Hang right up the hill there, there's a little ways. But behind the tunnel there's another story from down here. Used to I could drive straight to it, but it's been so long. I came in that way because that is the original road. Over this right here. I believe we'll go right back through yonder yet. Hope I don't get lost too bad. Like right back here. This is the way it goes. Right to the left here. That opening right yonder, I believe is where we headed to get to that point. I'm just about half guessing, but this is it, I do believe. Tricky is getting from the other one to the tunnel. Don't turn this thing over or get in that water. See, there's the load right there. Now, if it let us carry 2 loads, and it usually will, if they're not really too big, we got 2 loads. Both going to the same place. If we ever get to the tunnel, I believe I can get through it. I don't know. All right, we're back out of here. Let's raise the map up. There's a truck right there. He's on the road. Now right here, there's some fuel. I believe right here is where I make that turn to go to the tunnel, I think. I may be wrong. But we also hid that fuel yonder. I'm not sure where to go from here. Now's when I'm lost. The fuel is right. Looks like it's over here. Look here. I know where I'm at the moment. To get from here to the tunnel may be a little tricky. But so far I know where I'm at. Getting back over that may be a trick. With the load we got. Now, if I'm not mistaken, it's out across here and back to my left. There's some water over here too. I have to be careful. I'm wanting to say it's back in here. You have to go up around the end of the mountain here to get past here. Too far over, may not be the right place. That's water. Can't go that way. Let's go this way. I'm not sure where I'm going. There's a place like this right here. Am I going in or out? I don't know. These little trees here look familiar. Not real sure where I'm at. But I'm moving uphill, that's a fact. Don't get no water. Don't turn that thing over. Set it back up. There we go. I still don't know where I'm at exactly. We're another one of them containers. Seems like me back in here though. I don't remember too much water. Don't really know where I'm at. Where am I at? I don't know. This might be the way away from that road going back in. We're moving uphill on the road right now. We don't really want to go back out to the road, but we can if we have to. We're moving the wrong way right now, is what we're doing. We done turned around. I'm not sure. I got lost. This is the part I wasn't sure about. We're pretty close to that dadgum tunnel. I wasn't supposed to come through this hole right here. In fact, it looks like the road should have been right there to go up the hill. go out of here. There's the road. Let's take it. Ain't what I had in mind, but let's take it. We didn't find the tunnel, but we found everything else. And I'm pretty close to the tunnel. I need to play that area a few minutes. It's right, just right up. It's closer too. We get to it and get through it. But we're still number one, it says. And don't nobody else go through the tunnel, I don't think, so. Kegel Road they do, but Kegel Road, everybody takes shortcuts and everything. All AI and everything. What we gotta do now to get past these. We come in illegally, now we gotta get out illegally. Probably. Especially with 2 loads. They might not let me out. We're gonna sure be caught trying though. I hate to lose these 2 loads now at this point. He ain't even upset. With my load, he ain't upset. Now you gotta stay in the road. Come on. All we gotta do now is stay in the road. We have plenty of fuel. We use transmission to hold us back. If you cut it off, the transmission won't hold you back. She just rolls. She goes to neutral. Usually I just run down these curves and just smack the brakes and slow down enough to get around them. We ain't no hurry at this point. With 2 loads of cargo. About 27 minutes to get there with that load. Hopefully the other load don't go out before that does. Oh, we go straight there. We ain't spent too much time riding around a little bit. I knew what was going on with that hole. It looked like I was going in from the same place I did a while ago. I had just passed the end of the road, didn't see it. It was right behind me. Just out of sight. We'll be down to that tunnel here in a minute. We'll get back to the fuel station down here again, which we're still good on fuel. Here we go, right here. We're at the tunnel. That was a good run. If we make it to the drop off without losing his load, yeah. It ain't far really once we get to the end of we let her roll pretty good up here on this other highway. Could here actually, I guess. I don't need the map no more. Let me get rid of it. Let's see a little better. Let her rip and snort. Right here is where you're bad about getting off the road and getting hung with an 18-wheeler. Alright, next fuel is plumb down on the other road, but we got plenty of fuel. In fact, we don't even need the engine right at this point. We make our time without even. All we do is try to stay on the road. Oh, the game sound might be a little low. The tire should squeal a little louder than that. See, I'm rolling with no, I ain't even got the engine running. If I was out of gas, I'd still be alright right here. As long as you don't slow down. Oh, I just stopped my keyboard down. Almost. We can make time by cranking it though. I'm too slow. We're still number one, it says. Everybody got to come out this way. These loads, I'm gonna call it a day. Save the license for the next trip. They'll still be there when you come back and save it. The game's saved. I forgot now. I think the game auto saves when you stop. I'll verify when they go out. No, I don't. You gotta save it. That's right. But we got a truck, probably one of our competitions, bumping our bumper right now. And we gotta hit this other being under 80. Come on, get under 80. There you go. You should be able to make it as long as you're under 80. I remember that one. Yeah, I know. Now I'm gonna let her rip and snort. The engine ain't even running. She's downhill. You gotta pay attention to one place. If you ain't careful, you'll run off the road. You can handle it other than that, I think. Like right. This next bill, it's a little uphill. It might actually slow down. But I have left the road there doing over 110 the 18 wheeler run. That's pretty well the end of the game. It's just you truck is gone demolished or whatever it says. I forget now. The same thing as you're on that water. Bleep. That's what happened to me. It hit so hard it called it gone. Right up here, I think. Yep. Hard right. I'm under 60. I should be able to make it. I've got a truck right on my bumper, fixing won't pass me, I think. If I hold him back behind me, that's probably one of our competitions. So they come the same way we are. They're just about as fast as we are. By doing this, I might be faster. I don't know. Get that back to the road. Try to lose it there, people. Y'all never did say we'll pass you. You'd be hung for a few minutes, probably. We're back up to Eastwood. Headed to River Valley with 2 loads. Bunch of money, supposedly. But money ain't the problem anyway. We got enough drivers that we're making money when we ain't even here. Go out and come back and you got more money than you had. Take a wrong lane backwards. See if we can not hit nobody. We're number 5. Oh, we're in the wrong lane. It's counting us as being going the wrong way. That's what it's counting us being the wrong way right now. We don't count till we get back in the lane, which will be up here at this intersection. First crossover. Not gonna worry about fuel or nothing. We full. Just let the truck roll. So far we haven't met nobody right here either. Usually you meet somebody, sometimes they won't dart, they'll dodge the wrong way. You can't miss them. He's over yonder, we are at so far. I'm trying. Right here we get over. Go this lane to that lane. That's it, we first again, I do believe. I lost my speed. I lost my momentum to hit that bank, hit that wall. Right here is a sharp bend right here. Usually it's a little tight. Doesn't, I just didn't drive it. It'll make that bend. I just didn't drive it right. We're getting close to River Valley now. Still number one, you see this. Done pretty good so far. Come on. We're in this road. A little crooked, a little hard right here to this road. When you make it bend, it wants to get away from you. In this divided highway, walls in it. Right here they are, right here. I believe we got it though. Come on. Let's go. Everybody just around the bend. On the left. Watch out. One license, looked like it paid $29,000. Oh no, I want that. They paid a bunch, that's all I gotta tell you. I'm gonna park it, I'm not gonna worry about the license. Get out of my way. What are you doing messing with me? Get out of my way, thing. That's that truck. That trailer will probably be over yonder somewhere. Wasn't that close? There you go. Well, that's it. This is town dog. I'm gonna call it. That'll run for the day. And that's our truck moving. There we go. And we'll try to drive another one of these days full on. That was a pretty good little run to Greystone backhoe. Didn't do real bad considering I didn't remember it all. I remember more than I was supposed to. That's it. I'm gone. Bye bye.